Hi viewers and my dear students, welcome to the online classes. Good morning to everybody. First of all, to congratulations everyone. Why? Because you are promoted to 6th to 7th class. That's why today we will start that online classes. So today discuss about that 7th class mathematics. According to your textbook, today discuss about the third chapter, simple equation, part 1. Guys, already you know some knowledge in the previous classes you have learned that some knowledge. Once remember that after to go to the this chapter. You know that algebraic expressions. I read that one example on the blackboard. So 2x plus 5. This is one of the algebraic expressions. Why it is called a algebraic expressions? This one, it is called a algebraic expressions. Okay guys, so in this expression, this one is called a constant, this one is called a variable, this is called a coefficient of x. Okay, this is called. In these expressions, you use the sign less than sign, greater than sign, is equal to sign. Suppose 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. Sorry, is greater than less than 7. This expressions change in that open sentences. Open sentences. Yes, when you use this sign less than or greater than, it's form one of the expression change in that open sentences. Why it is called a open sentences, guys? Guys, here some numbers are there, only one variable is there. That is a x variable. That is a x variable. But it is not a fixed number. You will change that number, definitely this answers also change. That type of equations are called a open sentences. Open sentences. So suppose I write x plus 1. So in this x plus obtain 1, that means 2 of 1 plus 5 is less than 7. 2 ones are 2 plus 5 less than 7. 7 less than 7, it's correct or wrong? It's wrong. Why? What is the condition here? Less than condition here. Less than means it's a below of that 7. Suppose I take it that x is equal to 0. 2 of 0 plus 5 less than 7. 2 zeros are 0 plus 5 less than 7. 5 less than 7, it's true. So this type of sentences called a open sentences. Now come to the point. What is the title heading? Simple equations. First discuss about that equation. Guys, you take it one open sentences. For example, x plus 2, 5 is less than x plus 2 greater than 5. X plus 2 is equal to 5. Guys, which one open sentences use the sign of equality? That type of sentence is called a equation. Once again remember, guys, this is open sentences. In this open sentences, use that less than symbol. The second one, use the open sentences greater than symbol. The third one, sentences use the symbol equal to sign. So which one open sentences use the sign equality? Use the sign equality. That type of sentence is called equation. That type of sentence is called a equation. These equations are different type of equations, but according your chapter title, simple equation. Now discuss about the first simple equation. You are taking the one sentence, one equation. Suppose I take it that x plus 2 equal to 5. It is a equation. Why it is called a equation? Is equal to sign is use it in that open sentences, so it is called a equation. Very good. It is a simple equation or not? How do you check it? So in this case, only one variable is there. What the variable? X is a variable. Which one variable is there in this sentence? X. That degree or power is highest 1. That type of equation is called a linear equation. Linear equation or simple equation. Simple equation. Once again repeated, that's one. Guys, you take it that one equation, your identification of first how many variables in this equation. That variable highest power have 1. That type of equation is called a simple equation or linear equation. So here see, one equation is there. In this equation, variable is x. That highest power or degree, in mathematical word degree, the degree have only 1. That type of equation is called a linear equation or simple equation. The linear equation short notation LE. LE means linear equation. Simple equation short notation SE. SE means simple equation. Generally, equation short notation EQ. Okay guys, these words are keep your minds. Now, what is the general form of the linear equation? Ax plus b is equal to 0. A not equal to 0. This is the general form of the linear equation or simple equation. Ax plus b is equal to 0. Guys, equal to sign is there, definitely it is a equation. In this case, x is a variable. X is a variable. That power have only 1. That's why it's the equation is called a linear equation or simple equation. And one more point, what is the coefficient of x? A is not equal to 0. Guys, suppose if you a is equal to 0, suppose a is equal to 0, a into x, totally the term is collapse. Only constant term is there, constant equation is formed. 2 is equal to only constant equation form. It's not correct, it's not a linear equation. Okay, so Ax is also called linear equation. Why? Because this coefficient have this variable have x, that power is highest 1, but it is not a standard form. But it's not a standard form. But it's a linear equation. It's not a standard form. Now come to the point. X plus 2, for example, x plus 2 is equal to 5. In the linear equations, LE means linear equation, or one more SE. SE means simple equation. Two parts are there. According to that equal to sign. In the equal to sign, which term is left hand side? That is called a that is called a, which one term is left hand side, that is called a LHS, left hand side. In the is equal to, which term is right hand side, that is called a RHS, right hand side. Once again repeated, guys. Today discuss about the simple equation part 1. First, you know the open sentences. Open sentences are 3 types: x plus 2 less than 5, x plus 2 greater than 5, x plus 2 equal to 5. So, why it is called the open sentences? One variable is there, the variable is not a fixed term. So, different values are substitution, you get, this condition is obey or not obey, check it. That is called a open sentences. In the open sentences, you use the which is equal to sign, that sentence is changed in that equation. These equations are different types of equations, but according to your textbook given the simple equation. That's why today discuss about the simple equation. Simple equation, another name linear equation. How to define that linear equation? You take it the one equation, in the equation only one variable is there, that highest power is 1. Which one variable is there, that power is highest 1, that is called a simple equation or linear equation. What is the general form of the linear equation? Ax plus b is equal to 0, a not equal to 0. Next one, this is simple equation are 2 parts according that equal to sign. Which term is left hand side of the equality, that term is called a LHS. Which term is right hand side of the term equality, that is called a RHS. Okay guys, next one point. So, different values are there, guys, in that equations, different values are formed. Suppose, see, x plus 2 is equal to 5. If x is equal to 1, guys, 1 plus 2 is equal to 5, it's true or false? It's false. Why? Because 1 plus 2 is a 3. 3 equal to 5? Not 5. So, it's false. Suppose if x is equal to, take one more value, take it. 2 plus 2 is not equal to 5. 4 not equal to 5. Why? Because 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 equal to 5? It's not true. If x is equal to 3, guys, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Yes, 5 is equal to 5. Absolutely correct, guess it. Your point is exactly correct. Yes, which one value obtained in the x place, you will get that RHS. It becomes RHS. That value is called a solution of that equation. So, in this case, 3 is satisfaction of in this equation, the 3 is called a solution of this equation. Is it clear? But 1, 2 is not a satisfaction of this equation, it is not a solution of the equation. Okay guys? Come. Yes, next point. What is the importance of the simple equations? Simple equations. What are the importance of the simple equations? Guys, simple equation help in solving various problem, help in solving various problem in daily life. Daily life. Yes. Very important chapter and very easy chapter, guys. See, what is the importance of the simple equation? Where it is used? Yes, this is help in the solving the various problem in the daily life. Daily life. Suppose you guess it. You go, you brought that some books. So you definitely pay some money. In this situation, definitely you apply that simple equations. Simple equations. Come to the point. S. For balancing of simple equation. For balancing of and equations. We, guys, very important. I take it one example, these equations. X plus 2 is equal to 5. You know, well know, simple equation example. X plus 2 is equal to 5. Guys, you take it one number. That number should be add on both sides. Which one number you have selected, that number should be add on the both sides. Suppose I selected the 3. X plus 2 plus 3 add on both sides, plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 3. So in the black ink represented which one number, new number add in the both side, that is represented. In these situations also, that number is not disturbed given simple equation. Okay guys, so which one number, the same number should be add on both sides, that that number is not undisturbed. That's simple equation. Suppose x plus 2, again I take it that the same equation is separated from one number on both sides, minus 2. Here the add, first case add, both sides, what number should be add on both sides, that is not disturbed in the given equation. The second step, x plus 2, here write that minus 2 on both sides. Both sides I write that minus 2. This situation is also undisturbed, this given equation. Suppose x plus 2 is equal to 5, should be multiply one number on both sides, 3 into 3. Both sides multiplication with same number. This situation is also undisturbed the given equation. X plus 2 is equal to 5. Divide 5. In these situations also undisturb the equation. Guys, 4 steps are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. In the first step should be add the same number on both sides. That situation undisturb the equation. Second one, separated one number same both sides. So in this situation is also undisturb the equation. Third step, multiplication one number on both sides. This situation is also undisturbed the given equation. The same number divisible by the both side, in this situation also undisturbed that equation. Okay, these points all are keep your mind, guys. Next one, is very important. Transforming from LHS to RHS. Yes guys, it is very important. It's a basic further studies. Transferring from LHS to RHS. Okay, I write C on the blackboard some points. Plus, what the sign? Plus. Plus is one of the quantity. It's become negative quantity. Okay, next one, negative sign, negative quantity is there, becomes positive quantity. Next one, into quantity becomes divided by quantity. Next, divided by quantity becomes into quantity. Okay. Guys, please see, plus quantity becomes negative quantity. How? See, transferring from LHS to RHS. I take it the one example, x plus 2 is equal to 5. It's one of the simple equation. Here x is a variable. Now you find out the x value, suppose. So plus 2 is no need this side. In this plus 2 is which one side is there? This is the left hand side. How do you know? This equal to sign which term is containing left hand side, that term is called a LHS. Yes, in the equal to sign which term is right hand side, that is called a RHS. Is it clear? Now this plus 2 you no need, just send that side. What this quantity sign? Positive. The positive quantity becomes negative sign when transferring from LHS to RHS. That means x is equal to plus 2, send that side, 5 minus 2. X is equal to, that means 3. I take it the one more example. X minus 2 is equal to 5. Guys, see, in this case minus 2 is the LHS part is there, send that side. So x is equal to 5 plus 2. So when you send that side, this minus quantity is there, becomes that side plus quantity. For example, 3x is equal to 15. This one more equation. It is also linear equation but not a standard form. Suppose 3x minus 15 is also standard form. Minus 15 that side and 3x is equal to plus 15. What about the 3? 3 is the coefficient of x. What this hash in here? Multiplication. Send that side. Your multiplication quantity becomes that side, divides. So therefore x is equal to 15 by 3. Is it clear? Next, suppose x by 3 is equal to 15, guys. One more example, this one. Here the 3 is a divides of x. So send that side, 15 into 3. So here plus action is there, send that side negative action. In this negative action is there, send that side positive action. Here multiplication action is there, send that side division action. Here the division action is there, send that side multiplication action. So these all are the basic. These basic keep your minds, you work out the sums very easily. Okay, now okay, I write one problem on the blackboard according to your textbook, exercise 1, page number 59. First question, write LHS and RHS of 5p plus 3 is equal to 2p plus 9. Guys, exercise first Roman first question, very easy. This is one more question. Write LHS and RHS of 5p plus 3 is equal to 2p plus 9. Already I have completed the introduction part, this one. What is the given the equation in this sum? This is the equation. Given 5p plus 3 is equal to 2p plus 9. Guys, see here equal to sign is there, guys. In the equality sign, which one contains in left hand side term, that is called a LHS. So in the equal to sign, this is the left hand side, LHS. In the equal to sign, the right hand side one more term. This is called a RHS. The sum is over. Simply therefore, LHS is 5p plus 3. RHS is 2p plus 9. The sum is over. Next one, the second one question. Same page, solve the following equation by trial and error method. The first question, 2 plus y is equal to 7. 2 plus y is equal to 7. Guys, so in this equation, first one variable is there. Please identify the variable y. So which one value or substitution you get this satisfaction? You are check it. Which one method? Trial and error method. How? Simply just if y is equal to 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. 2 plus 1 means 3. 3 is equal to 7. True or false? False. So if y is equal to 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 7. 2 plus 2 is 4 is equal to 7. It's not satisfaction. Y is equal to 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 7. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. It's not equal. So if y is equal to 4, 2 plus 4, it's not satisfaction. If y is equal to 5, check it guys, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 is equal to 7. So becomes RHS value. So 7 is a satisfaction of this equation. That means y value is equal to 7. 7 is a solution of 2 plus y is equal to 7. Okay guys, next class discuss about that some more sums. Okay, thank you for watching my video.